If you have issues with Wi-Fi not working properly on Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, then first of all we can open Settings. Now over here in Settings we should be able to go to Network and Internet over here, and then in here what you can do is you can simply turn off Wi-Fi and turn it back on. This simple thing can be actually quite useful at times, and it can solve some problems with the Wi-Fi. We're gonna move on to Wi-Fi settings in a second, but before we do that, what you can also do is you can check private DNS settings. If you made some changes in here, you might want to switch to automatic option, which is the standard, the default option, and the recommended one. So be sure to check if the private DNS is set to automatic. Besides that, if you use any VPN whatsoever, whether you created a VPN profile in here or if you use a VPN app, this can also be the reason why you might have issues with the Wi-Fi. Although it is pretty rare, you cannot really exclude the fact that VPNs may have some troubles at times and they can cause some issues. So if you do use a VPN, you might want to turn it off temporarily, whether it is here or in the app if you use a specific app, just to see if that helps. Now let's move on to the Wi-Fi settings. In here in the upper right corner we have this reset button that is like a circle with an arrow, and we can just tap on it and we will reset our whole internet, which can be also a pretty good tool to fix some of the connectivity issues. Now if you are trying to connect to the Wi-Fi but it doesn't really work, what you can do in addition to those things that I mentioned so far is you can check if you have Wi-Fi on your other device. So if you have anything else, any other device that has Wi-Fi, and if you use the exact same Wi-Fi on that other device, you might want to check if you have access to the Wi-Fi on that thing as well. If you have issues on that other device, just like you have issues on your Motorola, then of course this means that you have issues with the Wi-Fi itself rather than with Wi-Fi on your Edge 70 Fusion. So you might want to deal with your Wi-Fi first, instead of trying to fix Wi-Fi on your phone. But if that is not the case, if you are certain that you have issue with the Wi-Fi on this phone specifically, then we can of course proceed. So what you can do is you can, for example, forget the network connection completely. So we can tap on forget in here, and of course you are going to be disconnected from the network. If you can still find it in here, then of course you can try to connect again. If not, you can also go to save networks, or if you cannot find the network in there at all, you can go to save networks, then you can select the network in here and you can forget it in here as well. Now besides that, if you for example have trouble with connecting to Wi-Fi or finding it in here and you have Wi-Fi QR code, then you can use the QR code scanner in here, and then you should be able to, well, scan the Wi-Fi QR code and you can connect to the Wi-Fi without having to look for it over here on this list of Wi-Fi networks and without having to enter the password. Now if your issue with Wi-Fi is not reconnecting, so for example you are connected to the Wi-Fi network but after some time your phone disconnects and it doesn't want to reconnect, then you can go to settings of that network, and then here we have the auto connect option. Of course you want to make sure that that this option is enabled, so whenever there is a temporary disconnection, the phone tries to reconnect to that network. You might also want to turn that option off for every other network that is available near you at the same time when you use the main one, if that is of course the case. And in case the password was incorrect, if you try to connect to a network, if you tap on it again, then of course the phone will recognize that the password was incorrect, so you want to fix the password, you want to enter the correct one. And in case the password has changed and you cannot really change it, the phone doesn't let you to do so, you can go back to network details and you can tap on this pen here in the upper right corner and you can change the password in here as well. Other than that, another thing that you can do is in settings you can scroll down and go to system. Then here we have the reset options and you want to choose reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Unfortunately we cannot separate these two things, so if you decide to reset Bluetooth you will also reset Wi-Fi settings, and this means that you will have to pair all your Bluetooth devices again and of course join or connect to your Wi-Fi networks one more time. But of course this might be necessary to fix some of the issues, so if you decide to do so, once you reset these settings you will have to go back to network and internet and you will have to connect to Wi-Fi again, and hopefully this time it is going to work. And last but not least, you can simply restart your phone as well. A simple reboot of the device can be sometimes helpful as well. Maybe something got wrong, maybe something bugged in the system, and it doesn't really want to use Wi-Fi at all, so a simple restart should do the trick. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.